Wait, are you really tired of remembering vocabularies you have been repeating again and again and still you're confused, right? Don't worry. In this video, you're able to learn all vocabularies. The app I'm going to suggest you now, super exciting. You will love yourself by using this. There are different ways to remember app. You're going to simply try to select any word and you can listen the definition, listen the all context, listen other exercises, quotations, videos. You're going to be focused with one word for 5, 10 times with vocabulary, with quotation, with video, with listening, right? And at the end of the day, you're going to talk with your AI related person, right? You are AI teacher, let's say in simple word. So he or she is going to help you to understand this in more and more used. You have a two option. You can try to write or you can try to turn on your voice and try to practice your this word with the AI. And these all things are free in this way. You're going to, as much as you want to select topic, there are some different topic, business English, culture, this, that, those, I mean, etc. topics. You're going to select them, and after selecting, you will be having words regarding this topic. You want to learn your IELTS, you want to learn SAT, you want to learn TOEFL, you want to learn any type of exams you're able to learn in this app. So I already recorded a screen for you. If you're unsure how to use it, I 100% recommend you to use this to watch this video till the end in order to understand how to use and what are some best things. So you can try to, you can see here or here, you can see the recordings. I'm going to edit for you. You're going to listen and understand. If you have any kind of questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. And if you listen till the end, you will be able to understand. And don't say that I haven't mentioned. I have mentioned everything in the recording. Feel free to comment after watching whole video. Let's get into Wordup. It's a really different, interesting application for you to enhance your vocabulary. Let's try to understand what is your level. First of all, simply you can start. Let me show you. We can select your accent, American, and then which select your native language. What is your native languages? You can simply search. Let me try to do English to English. That's what I always prefer. Let's try to add 18. And now you have a level. Let's try to make it more basic to see what type of. Let's try to start with the conversational with this. Let's see B and B2 level, all right? Because fluent can be more difficult word for you to understand. So if you want, you can take a test in order to see which is your level now, but we are going to just try to review other things. Not doing. Here are two words they're saying. One is cultivate, the second word is enthusiasm. Let's try to understand the word cultivate and continue, right?
To prepare and use land for growing plants. For example, the farmer cultivates his field to grow vegetables.
Right, that's a really interesting explanation, right? To cultivate means to use some kind of uh, e- maybe electronic things to plant, right? Or grow a plant, like with the tractor, they're saying. So they are cultivating some vegetables in this way. Agriculture use. Let's try to
Often used in farming contexts to describe preparing and working on the land. For example, local farmers cultivate the land to ensure a bountiful harvest.
right, you can see. In this way, you can listen one by one. There are listening buttons. You can simply listen anytime, and you can see more and more. For example, farmers must cultivate their field meticulously to avoid soil depletion. Right. There still you have a more and more definitions, more and more different time. She cultivates her garden throughout the summer for fresh vegetables. Right. Still you have here you can go more. Cultivation is not one time action, it's an ongoing process throughout the growing season. So this is more simple for you. Continuous progress. Right? There are different tips. Careful improvement and the first is agriculture use. So there are three definitions and you can try to understand. Now this is compare with farm and second is grow. There are two simple definitions. You can understand, first of all, you can use this cultivar and form together. You can read this, for example, farmer generally refer to the entire operation of raising crops and livestock, including cultivating land and any other related activities such as breeding, feeding, and harvesting. So you can use these words. You can see it's written in this one, and when you see this grow and cultivate, you can compare forming with cultivating and growing with cultivating. You will understand much better, right? That is a really interesting app, and this is the most often you can see the combination of this word: cultivate land, cultivate feed, cultivate crops. So this is going to improve your vocabulary 100%. Going to next. Here you have some saying or quotation: love does not dominate, it cultivates. Right, this is German writer, you can listen it.
Love does not dominate, it cultivates.
Right, now you have video. When you click this video uses the term cultivate. So that are interesting. This lastly you have bloom, where you are planted and cultivate your own unique birds, right? So this is all. When you click this, you will have finished. Right? You learn your first word. Now, when you go ahead, you still have here improve my general English, prepare for IELTS, learn business English professional, and you can continue. Now you can add exams. What type of exams you're preparing for, right? You want to learn for TOEFL, IELTS, all right? Any exam you can select multiple, and you can simply continue. Now you can pick your field. What is your field? Which one is your field? You can select any field. All right. Let's try to mm, select business field. As much as you want to select field, you can try to it. Okay, three are the most interesting field. I mean, at least you have to add three field. So I have selected two of them. One is already selected, right? Business, and second, let's try to select other things. For example, we can go through with IT Tech and human resources, right? That's what I think we have selected now at this moment, and we can continue. Now you can try to tell me, pick your favorite topics, business, mm, maybe also we can select lifestyle. Maybe we can select more and more as much as we want here this time. One occupation, right? And after then you are going to have more and more different type of vocabularies related to this. So here you can select all of them one by one. Now you can simply click continue. And here you have more than 1500 essential word, and total you have 70,000 vocabularies. All of them you can simply continue. Now you can learn, you can find the best time to learn. You can around lunchtime, in the bed, it's better time, and you can select a specific time at what time you want to learn it. For example, 12 a.m. I'm going to select OK and continue, right? Now you have to allow this app to send you notification. That's it. You can try to select 10 to 20 minutes, or 10 minutes is enough, or this is a simple goal. Now you're going to simply continue with your Google. So that was all. I'm going to simply continue. I've selected my email, and it is going to create my account, you can see. Now, finally. An account is created almost. We are almost there. And here you can see you have a basic plan and definitely free plan. We have some, it's your choice, definitely. And we are going to simply continue with free version. We don't want to learn this. We don't want to go with pay. We will use free. These are all our
This
goals.
is a map of your English knowledge.
Right. Now we have this learn tab where we are going to continue learning new words. This is our practice. We can practice with the speaking, fantasy charts, smart writing scenarios, AI vocabulary review, all of that. Let's try to show you speaking practice. For example, right? So my name, my picture is edit here. That's good to hear. Is there any specific would you like to learn? You can talk about anything. You work if you want to learn about cultivate. So you can ask to her, that we have learned today. So, and she can help you more. You should be the cultivate the vocabulary that you have learned. Remember to use you have a constructive constructions for you have when you're talking about something you already know. So this is a correction, right? That's a great that you want to cultivate the vocabulary you have learned. What a specific word you would like to. Okay, this is something they couldn't understand, but this is how you can try to practice. And this is a fantasy chart. You can go to have a role play. There are many different type of people. For example, let's start Jennifer Lover. How's your day going so far? You can talk with her also, right? This is all this role play. You can add as much as you want. Okay, this is AI vocabulary review. You can learn also. And these are our lessons, whatever we will be learning in these lessons, you can see. First grading, then dating, love, etc. These all are topic we have selected and they have by themselves. And finally, we will be having here progress. So we have learned 14, one maybe new vocabularies and four. That's it. And here are some people. They are on the top. You can see they are using. I'm here 820. They have used more than 500 minutes in the first one. So you're able to use this app. I hope you're going to like it.